Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a comparison between Quicken and NexusPay, the ultimate money management showdown. Quicken or NexusPay, which two rules your finances? In just a few minutes we'll break them down. We'll break down this money master so you can pick your perfect financial sidekick. Let's dive in. When it comes to what they are best for, Quicken is best for personal and business finance tracking, while Nexus is best for mobile banking and instant transfers. When it comes to budgeting, Quicken has advanced, that is custom reports and saving goals. When it comes to Nexus, it just has basic spending tracking. So Quicken definitely wins this one. When it comes to investments, Quicken has stocks, retirement, and crypto tracking, while Nexus has no investment tools, so Quicken wins again. When it comes to banking features, Quicken has no built-in banking feature, while Nexus has free transfers, QR payments, and cardless ATM. So Nexus definitely won this one. When it comes to the fees, Quicken has a fee of $2.99 to $5.99 a month, while Nexus is free with no hidden charges. So we know Nexus definitely wins this. When it comes to mobile app, Quicken syncs with desktop, while NexusPay has a fully mobile first app, so it's a tie. When it comes to security, Quicken has bank level encryption, while NexusPay has bank-backed Dutch Bangla Bank. So it is bank backed by the Dutch Bangla Bank. So it's a tie. When it comes to business tools, Quicken has invoicing, tax prep, and rental management, while NexusPay has nothing, it's just for personal use only. So in the end, Quicken cuts it. So let's look at this. I'll say pick Quicken if you need deep budgeting, investments, or business tools, while you can choose NexusPay for fee-free mobile banking and instant transfers. But believe me, both of them beat manual spreadsheets, so it's a win-win. So which one is your money MVP? Drop your pick below, smash like if it saved you hours of research, and subscribe for more tech showdowns, and go conquer those finances. See you in the next video.